Guys, do this magic on your video. In case if you want to do this kind of editing, please don't skip any part of this video. Guys, you enter your Capcut. You are using Capcut, so you click on new project. Then you click on the first video you are using. Let's use this one. Then you click on it. We are using this one. Let me play it. All right. So can you see this is the first clip I shoot? So we are going to be using second clip now. You click on overlay, you click on add, then you click on this one we are using at the downside. Look at the overlay. So just wait for some few seconds. So after this, you adjust this down clip. Let it be of this. Can you see it? This size. So now you cut the this unnecessary part out of the clip. Let's cut this one out. Let's cut this out. All right, we are done with this. So then you cut this. You see, split this one. You split this one. Then you delete it. Then you shift this one down to the side. Can you see it? So now we are to do what? We are to do this thing now. What is it called? We are to use our this thing. What is it called? Let's move down to our editing now. So we'll use mask. Look at mask here. So you click on this mask, then you click on this horizontal side. You click on it. Can you see it? So now you twist this one to the upper layer. Can you see it? Then you drag it. You drag it to the side. Okay. So now we'll do the arranging now. Since you are done with that part, let's do the arranging. Then you click on this upper side, you arrange it. Let it be equal. Then you click on this down layer. It's okay like this. Then now you arrange it the way it is. So you split this one. You split and then delete. Then you bring this one. Can you see it? Then you drag this to this side. Just wait a minute. Let's know what we are doing here. So can you see it, guys? Let's shift it. You shift it back. Can you see it? I'm trying to get it. So can you see it? Let's play it. So you can see it now. Can you see it? Then this, I'm just doing the rough work, but let me arrange it. Then you click on this upper layer, arrange this top side where, then this down layer you arrange it to make it to rhyme up. So can you see it now? Then so here is it now. So can you see it? This is how to do your editing. You get this kind of editing. For instance, now you want to do a magic that once you click on your phone, water will be coming out. This is how to do this kind of editing. Okay, guys. So if you're seeing me for the first time, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe.